The courage to pursue your passion. Samantha had always loved writing, but she never thought it was a viable career option. She pursued a degree in business instead, landing a job at a reputable company after graduation. Despite her success in the business world, Samantha felt unfulfilled. She longed to pursue her passion for writing but was afraid of the uncertainty and instability that came with a career in the arts. One day, Samantha decided to take a leap of faith. She quit her job and enrolled in a writing program, determined to hone her skills and pursue a career in writing. The road was not easy. Samantha faced rejection after rejection from publishers and struggled to make ends meet as a freelance writer. But she never lost sight of her passion and refused to give up. Slowly but surely, Samantha's hard work paid off. She landed her first publishing deal and eventually became a best-selling author. Samantha's writing touched the lives of thousands of readers, inspiring them to pursue their passions and follow their dreams. Samantha's journey had been difficult and uncertain, but she found the courage to pursue her passion despite the odds. She proved to herself and to the world that anything is possible if you have the courage to take the first step and follow your heart. From struggle to success. Samantha had always struggled in school. She found it hard to keep up with her classmates and often felt like she was falling behind. But despite these challenges, she refused to give up on her dream of going to college. Samantha knew that her grades would not be enough to get her into a good college, so she started working hard to improve them. She spent countless hours studying and seeking help from her teachers and tutors. Slowly but surely, her grades began to improve. But the road to college was still full of obstacles. Samantha's family could not afford to pay for her tuition, and she did not qualify for many scholarships. Undeterred, Samantha started applying for every scholarship she could find, and she even started working part-time to save money. Finally, after years of hard work and perseverance, Samantha got the news she had been waiting for. She had been accepted to a prestigious university on a full scholarship. Samantha could hardly believe it. Her dream of going to college was finally coming true. At college, Samantha continued to work hard and push herself to succeed. She took advantage of every opportunity that came her way, from internships to extracurricular activities. And her hard work paid off. Samantha graduated with top honors and went on to pursue a successful career in her field. Samantha's journey had been full of challenges, but she had never given up. She knew that with persistence and determination, she could achieve anything she set her mind to. And she proved it to herself and to everyone around her, showing that with hard work and a positive attitude, anyone can overcome their struggles and achieve success. The importance of teamwork. Kate had always been a bit of a loner. She preferred to work on her own and was hesitant to rely on others for help. But when she joined her school's robotics club, she quickly realized that she could not achieve success on her own. Kate's team was working on building a robot for an upcoming competition. Each member of the team had their own area of expertise, and they all had to work together to make the robot function properly. Kate was in charge of programming the robot, but she quickly found that she was stuck and could not figure out how to make it work. Rather than giving up or trying to figure it out on her own, Kate turned to her teammates for help. They worked together, brainstorming ideas and trying out different solutions until they finally found one that worked. With their combined efforts, the robot was a success and the team won first place in the competition. Kate learned an important lesson that day: the importance of teamwork. She realized that she could accomplish much more with the help of others than she ever could on her own. And she also learned that it was okay to ask for help when she needed it, as it was a sign of strength rather than weakness. From that day forward, Kate became a more collaborative and team-oriented person. She found that working with others not only helped her achieve her goals, but it also made the journey more enjoyable and fulfilling. Kate's experience showed her that sometimes the most important ingredient for success is not just hard work or determination, but also the support and collaboration of those around us. Overcoming obstacles. Samantha had always loved music. As a child, she would sing and dance around the house, dreaming of one day becoming a professional musician. However, as she got older, she realized that achieving her dream wouldn't be easy. Samantha faced many obstacles along the way. She struggled with stage fright and was often too nervous to perform in front of others. She also came from a family with limited financial resources, so she didn't have access to the same opportunities as some of her peers. Despite these challenges, Samantha refused to give up. She worked tirelessly to improve her singing and songwriting skills, practicing for hours every day. She also found ways to perform in small venues, slowly building up her confidence in front of crowds. One day, Samantha's hard work paid off. She was offered a record deal by a major label and began touring across the country. Although she still felt nervous before every show, she remembered the years of practice and determination that brought her to this point. Samantha's story is a reminder that success often comes after overcoming obstacles. It takes courage and persistence to pursue your passions, but with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Rising above the obstacles. Lena had always dreamed of becoming a professional dancer. She spent most of her childhood attending dance classes, perfecting her technique, and developing her own style. Her family was supportive of her passion, but they were not financially well off, and Lena often struggled to pay for her dance lessons. When Lena was 17, she auditioned for a prestigious dance school in the city. She was overjoyed when she received an acceptance letter, but her excitement was short-lived when she realized that the tuition fees were beyond her family's means. Determined not to give up on her dream, Lena took on multiple part-time jobs while attending high school to save up for her tuition fees. She worked tirelessly, often sacrificing her sleep and social life to make ends meet. But despite her best efforts, she still fell short of the required amount. One day, Lena learned about a dance scholarship program that was being offered by the school. She knew that the competition would be tough, but she also knew that this was her chance to make her dream a reality. She spent countless hours perfecting her audition piece, and finally, the day of the audition arrived. Lena gave it her all and poured her heart into every move. She danced with such passion and grace that the judges were moved to tears. When the results were announced, Lena couldn't believe her ears. She had been awarded a full scholarship to the dance school. Over the next few years, Lena worked hard and pushed herself to her limits. She overcame countless obstacles and challenges, but her love for dance kept her going. She made new friends and discovered a sense of community within the dance school. Together, they supported each other through every performance and every rehearsal. Eventually, Lena graduated from the dance school with top honors, and she went on to pursue her dream of becoming a professional dancer. She performed on some of the biggest stages in the world, and her talent and dedication were recognized by audiences and critics alike. Looking back on her journey, Lena realized that it was her perseverance and determination that had brought her to where she was today. She had never given up on her dream, even when it seemed impossible. And through her hard work and dedication, she had risen above the obstacles and achieved her goals. The lesson that Lena learned was that with the right mindset, anything was possible. She had proven that hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks could lead to great success. And she hoped that her story would inspire others to pursue their dreams, no matter how difficult or challenging they may seem.